What's this? Yes, lads. So, welcome back to the series of the Beamer. If you haven't watched my previous video on me introducing this car to the channel, then please go and watch it. It will be the video that was uploaded just for this one. But yeah, guys, this is the first mod to the Beamer. Obviously, I'm a bit skint right now because I just paid 20 grand for a car. So, I'm going to start off very small and we'll work our way up. So, we'll just give that a tug twice. So, what I'll actually do is it's dead fucking easy to change your air filter on these. So, if you've never done it before, watching this video, or just, well, you could even just look at it and do it yourself because it's that easy. But yeah, so nice M55 engine. So yeah, your things literally on 4 clips, 2 this side and 2 that side. You get the gist, but that's a bit hot at the minute because Joe's going from work, so we'll leave that to cool down for 5. What we're going to do first, just get some clips of what it sounds like stock. Now I haven't actually tested this filter yet, so my reaction will be the first reaction to it, and obviously I'll tell you guys whether it's actually worth buying one, because 30 quid is a bit of money for just a intake that goes in your box. It's just a filter in it, it's not an intake or anything. So yeah, I don't know how good the camera's going to pick up this sound difference, but if there is a sound difference, I'll definitely let you guys know whether it's worth buying one, and then I'll drive it and I'll see. Probably won't make any power because it's a fucking filter in it. But yeah, let's crack on. I'll show you what it sounds like stock, and then we'll do the installation, and then we'll do what it sounds like with the new filtering. Right guys, so let's unbox this Pipercross filter. Oh, what's this? We get some stickies, boys. Lifetime filter, instructions and a sticky. Don't know if I'm going to put that up. We'll see how good it sounds first. But this is the filter. So, Pipercross filter, it's a lot smaller than the one we're going to be taking out. Might be for the sound difference as well. It's got a bit of oil on it, and just keep it fresh. It smells quite funky actually, not gonna lie. So we'll go ahead and we'll change it. So these clips, literally don't lose them, he says, while taking off a piece of his skin. Nice. 1, 2, 1 there, and 1 hidden under here, and that is fucking hot, boys. Ah, that's proper hot. I mean, lift this up and you see your filter. You know he's gonna fuck this up. Oh, it's not that much difference. What is that? We'll get this one, put it in this way. Don't know why they put the logo on the bottom, but it's not like everyone's see it, because 1, it's upside down, and 2, you got a box over it. Right guys, just had a little fight with that, but obviously I won because fuck you. So if your clip ever does come out, you just hook it back under, clip it on. Yeah, fuck off. And should we see what it sounds like? Right guys, so the verdict is in. From what I've heard so far, don't fucking buy one, because it's not made a fucking difference. I'm saying that, I haven't had the car under full boost yet, so I'd take it for a quick little road test down the road and see if it sounds different, and I'll let you know if it does. If it doesn't, then it's a waste of 30 quid, but it saves you guys 30 quid, doesn't it? So just buy an actual induction kit. Put that filter in there, because it'll probably be going back in, and might send in this back. Right lads, so just took it for a road test down the road, and to be completely honest with you, I'm not feeling it. Like, there's a slight little like whistling, probably because it's a twin scroll turbo setup anyway. It doesn't make a difference, so yeah, that's quite disappointing. But one thing you should take from this video is don't waste money on a £30 air filter if you're going to modify your 235. Save up, put that 30 quid towards the 500 quid it will cost you for an intake setup. Oh yeah, I'm pretty disappointed, but don't knock it till you tried it, do you know what I mean? I fucking tried it, and oh, you guys know not to buy one. Oh. Well yeah, thanks for watching the video anyway. Sorry for wasting your fucking time. Yeah, don't buy one. See you in a bit.